Now that you've bought your Safer Alarms fire sensor and remote alarm, all you need to do is add batteries. Click the top off, insert your batteries, 2 AA batteries. Put the top back on until you hear a click. Press the button for 1 to 2 seconds until the blue light flashes and then turns green. And now for the remote alarm. Turn the unit 1/4 turn clockwise, apply pressure, and remove the top. Insert 3 AA batteries. Then you want to put the cover back on. Then you press the button until you see the blue light flicker and turn green. You're all set.